let's unbox the limited edition Chopper Loungefly. I am so excited. I haven't bought a Loungefly in so long. Sorry, I'm not threatening you. I haven't bought a Loungefly in so long. Honestly, this one was more of an accidental purchase, but it's fine. Basically, I went to Cordy's Corner, which is the website that Loungefly was selling it on only, exclusively. I put myself on the wait list, and it was like, oh, if you like verify your home address and like do this stuff, you'll be like prioritized on the wait list. And I was like, perfect. The wait list will give me time to think about if I actually want it instead of just impulsively buying, which I do all the time. So what I like to do is I like to go look at what I want to impulsively buy and then be like, all right, I'll come back to it. And then by the time I actually revisit it, I'm like, you know what? I don't need that. And then I save myself money. However, this one, it was my bad, but it didn't say anything on the website when I was adding my credit card information to be authorized so that like I could be scooted to the top of the wait list, because I was scared they were going to get sold out because it's limited edition, and that always happens to me. I never get limited edition stuff. So basically hours later, it was like, thanks for your purchase. And I was like, I'm sorry, what? Like, I authorized 0 purchases. Well, I authorized the purchase. They took my credit card and they bought it for me. Yeah, I didn't have my 2 weeks of being able to think about it. I'm so excited. If you don't know who Chopper is, he's a droid from the Rebels animated show based around like Star Wars. So I'm so excited. This out of my face. It says, thank you for supporting our small business, Cordy's Corner, which is so cool. I didn't realize they were a small business. That's so cool that Loungefly worked with them to give them an exclusive, like, limited edition, because I looked everywhere and this was the only store you could get this bag from. So that's really, really cool. And I think that they sell a bunch of Loungeflies. Yeah, exclusive Star Wars Rebels Chopper cosplay mini backpack. Chopper is one of my 2 favorite droids in all of Star Wars. Here he is. Let's toss this box to the side. Let me just zoom you out a little bit. Okay. There's so much protective packaging and paper and stuff on here. Oh no, it ripped. It wasn't satisfying. There, pull. Okay, and he's got little arms. Oh my goodness. Well, now he looks like he's going like this, but he's got little arms. He's so cute. I'm so excited about this. This is my first Star Wars Loungefly. Here's the Star Wars Loungefly tag, but we're gonna cut that off. Oh my god. Come on. Tell me he's not so cute. Look at his little, like, look at all of this. And look at his little face. Look at his little hands. And I think we can even, maybe not. How should we place them normally? Should they just be sticking out normally? Like this? He looks so cute. Okay, let's look at the inside now. Obviously, we've got like the stuffing. The inside is so cool. Okay, so the inside of this pocket looks exactly like the outside. Can you see that? But look at this part. Oh my gosh, she is stuffed to the brim. Also, I just love the back of this. I don't even know if I showed you yet. It's got the Rebels sign on it and the green. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, so here is what the inside looks like. Okay, well, that's it. Stay tuned. Follow my Instagram if you want to see pictures of how I style this bag and how I bring it to Batuu. I'm so excited to bring Chopper with me to Batuu. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful week and magical month, and I'll see you on the next one.